In this video, you will learn how to use a search function. When you are in the Monogoto portal, at the top you can see a search bar. We can use this function to search for many things. Let's say you have received a Monogoto SIM card and you want to find it in the portal. In that case, please enter the ICCID number of the SIM card. However, please add an asterisk at the end of ICCID. If you do not put an asterisk at the end of the ICCID, you may not be able to see your SIM card. Because some physical SIM cards are showing one less digit and the portal is searching for an exact match. Here you can see the search results that are showing everything related with our search SIM card ICCID number. To open a search result, we just need to press on it. As you can see, the search is showing results in all categories, but if we press on categories, we can select in what category we want to search. After pressing on categories, a drop-down list will appear showing the search results in each of these categories. By pressing on one of the categories, we will set the search to filter and show only search results with that category. For example, if we select category Alarm, we will see only alarms that are related to our search results. If we press on one of the search results, for example, if we press on a Thing search result, then we will be directed to the SIM card Thing menu. And for example, if we press on Triggered Alarm, then we will be directed to the Alarms page, where we can see all triggered alarms. Please note that you can also search by other identifiers like assigned names. For example, if you have changed SIM card name from default to a name like John, then you can search by this name to easily find the SIM card and everything related to this search keyword. Thank you for watching.